everyone. Today we're going to take a quick walk around look at this very nice and very well equipped 2011 Chrysler 300C luxury collection. This 300C is in gloss black clear coat, has the black premium perforated Napa 2 leather interior. It is rear wheel drive and it is powered by the 5.7 liter variable valve timing MDS V8 engine. Uses the 5-speed W5A 580 auto stick automatic transmission with manual shiftability via the lever or the steering wheel mounted shift paddles. On the luxury collection, you do have the light platinum accents. Also have LED rear tail lamps with LED turn indicators. "20-inch painted aluminum wheels on 245/45 R20 tires. The vehicle does have the light platinum window surrounds and door handles. Also has a dual pane panorama sunroof. Side view mirrors have the light platinum accent caps. Up front, automatic halogen projector beam headlamps with LED daytime running lights. Alright, and this vehicle is equipped with remote start. To operate is easy. Just double press the remote start button on the key fob. And locking and unlocking the vehicle is easy by using Chrysler's keyless enter and go smart key access system. By keeping the key fob in your purse or pocket, you're able to lock the vehicle doors by locating the silver handle or button on the handle. Horn will chirp and the vehicle will lock. To unlock, simply grab the handles, you would open it. And inside, we find full leather on the doors and the dash. Also has the premium natural mocha wood trim, accented with light platinum. 2 driver memory. Power heated mirrors with driver's side auto dim, power windows and power door locks. The light platinum accent stitching. The vehicle is also equipped with the premium Beats 10 speaker 552 watt sound system. Eight-way power driver and passenger seat with 4-way adjustable lumbar support. You've also got your control for your power adjustable pedals. The premium Napa Access 2 perforated leather interior.
Brittany, call line 1. Brittany, line 1, please.
The full leather continues on the dash, as well as the natural mocha wood trim, automatic headlamps and fog lamps, instrument panel dim, ambient light dim, remote trunk release. You have a leather wrapped power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Audio controls. Alright, I'm panning through the interior just a little more details. As stated before, it is a leather wrapped steering wheel. You do have a chrome ring right around the middle of it. Controls are your Uconnect Bluetooth controls and trip computer controls, as well as cruise control. This vehicle currently has 11,553 miles on it. Moving down the center stack, the accent stitching continues on the dash. You have your Chrysler signature analog clock, 8.4-inch touchscreen display. This vehicle has AM/FM, Sirius XM satellite radio, and a single disc CD player. Inside your control screen, you have your heated seats, your ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, the option for your sport mode, and to close and open your rear sunshade. Dual zone automatic climate control. Garmin based navigation system. And in the more, you have your Sirius XM travel link and settings. Down below the screen, redundant controls for audio and climate control, and the slot for your CD changer. Push button start. Large amount of the natural mocha wood. This vehicle is equipped with heated and cooled cup holders that are illuminated. Nice amount of storage in your center armrest. 12-volt power point, USB port, and auxiliary input jack. Overhead, you have an automatic dimming rearview mirror with integrated microphones. Front LED map lights and LED reading lights. 3-channel HomeLink universal garage door opener. And your outside controls are for your panorama sunroof. The left-hand controls are for your glass. The right-hand controls are for your shade. Integrated sunglasses holder. You've also got illuminated vanity mirrors, sliding visors with slide-out extensions, and overhead passenger assist handles. Alright, looking at the rear seat, the rear doors carry the same theme as the front doors. Full leather stitching, natural mocha wood with light platinum accents, light platinum stitching. The perforated leather continues in the back as well. The rear seat does seat 3 across. It is a 60-40 split folding seat with integrated head restraints on the outboard seats. The center seat has a high adjustable head restraint. Premium Berber floor mats, front and rear. Fold down center armrest with illuminated cup holders. Covered storage in the center armrest. And rear seat passengers have their own positional air vents, outboard heated seat controls, a 12-volt power point, and the switch for your rear sunshade. Alright, to fold the seats is easy. Locate the tether at the top of the seat and pull forward. Alright, looking at the luggage area, it is very nice and spacious. You have your cargo organizer net, premium floor mat, subwoofer and amplifier for the Beats audio system, £50 tie-down hook, and underneath the floor mat you do have your compact spare tire with jack and tools. And the battery is also located in the rear for better weight distribution. Alright, and this does conclude our quick walk around look at this 2012 Chrysler 300C Luxury. If you have any questions or would like to see this vehicle, please contact our showroom. One of our friendly sales staff will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. And as always, thanks for watching.